Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to show you the tips how you can create an instant charm effect on your video with the CapCut. So I already have this video where the cat want to jump here, and I will let to make the cat ear like dramatically jump. So the thing that you have to do is I use the overlay here. Tap into the overlay, so the overlay clip will be the cat on this video, and here I want to adjusting the position first. I will to make the cat is turning into the bottom side right here, and then you just need to adjusting when the cat is start to be jumping. It gets almost there, so she's jumping right now, and then you just need to go click clip or split the clip, and then you just need to go at this plus at keyframe, and now we just need to drag the straight line into the end of the clip, and you can just like small or resizing the cat here to be like smaller, and then you just need to adjusting the position where the cat is going to be disappear right there. So now let's just see the result. You see that the cat is like dramatically jumping on this video. So that's for this tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy it, and if you still have some questions, you just need to drop into the comment section, and let's meet again into other tutorial.